Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 55 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here on the back, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. So, to measure the heart rate, make sure you on the home screen, the watch face, then press the down button to open the glances or widgets. Here, scroll down through the menu by pressing the up or down buttons. Select the heart rate widget, and now the watch should be measuring the heart rate automatically. You should see the heart rate right here. So let's wait a couple of seconds. And here we have it after a couple of seconds. Also, you can select the heart rate widget and press the start/stop button to open the graphs. And here we have the graph from the last 4 hours, the current heart rate right here. And you can also press the down button to see the average 7 days, average resting heart rate rather. But for this to appear, you need to wear the watch for the longer period of time to get the average from the 7 days, right? Okay. If for some reason your watch is not measuring your heart rate, you can go back to the watch face, the main screen, press and hold the /up/menu button to open the menu. Scroll through the menu by pressing the up and down button. Find the option called wrist heart rate, select it, press the start/stop, and here make sure that the status is on. If it's off, the watch won't measure your heart rate, so make sure this option is enabled, and that should be it. Basically, at this point, your watch should be able to measure your heart rate automatically. Okay, and that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.